What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Me and Pistol are gonna be showing you how to get out the map, and yeah, and to get to tutorial too. So you're gonna wanna come over here, extend your arms out as long as you can, and click the Oculus button. Click it again, and then if you get launched, just keep on doing it. And then you'll lower and lower, and that's when you find the right spot. Once you go lower 3 times in a row, that's the spot. So I haven't found the right spot yet. Now, just keep on going and clicking the Oculus button until you get to here. Then keep doing it. Some people like to just slide down, and then if you keep on going up like this, hurry and hit the wall, and then hurry and try to touch something. Okay. Now, alright, now come over here. Oh yeah, you might have to have a big boundary. I'm scooting to the edge of my boundary so then I can go over. Okay. And then you're gonna try and hit stomp. Which we both got it. Okay. So then you come up here. Wait for him. Come over here. Okay. Good. Now, Loden Forest. Yeah, go to the edge. Go to the edge right here, this corner. Go to this. Okay. Now come to this right here. And just with your left hand. Okay. My headset's very low, so we have to hurry. Okay. And then once you get up here, oh my gosh. Okay, go redo it. Okay. Now once you're up here, you just come out and then come over here to mountains, and mountains isn't loaded in, so you come right here and grab right here. Oh wait, you go underneath right here. Forgot about that part. Straight forward, and then right here. Once you're right here, you wall run up here, and then hurry and head off, and come right here. Oh, someone joined. Imagine it's ever again. Okay, now since you're up here, you come up here, and make sure to avoid getting stuck in there. And then you jump up on Stump. Now, since you're on Stump, you come to here, Loden Forest again, and you jump, wait, Loden Forest, oh my gosh. Loden Forest, and you jump into this, and you pull in. Okay. Hello? And then you do the glitch again. I have a feeling my headset's gonna die. Come on, please make it fast. I know that's not gonna be the soft spot. Okay, once we're down there, see that? You're gonna jump in there once you get it done. Which I'm not gonna edit. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.